Okay, test of the outer loop. Now we will test the inner loop independently. So we'll throw the switch and throw this switch. And the key is to have both controllers oriented in the same direction. So this one about 1/3, this one going to go to 1/3 now. There it goes, picks up to the inner loop and goes to the inner loop. Now we're on channel 2 controller, confirming. Okay. Let's throw the switches, make sure we're staying on the inner loop. Good function. Okay. Let's transition back to the outer loop. Oh, hold on. Okay. So in transition to the outer loop, we got to make sure the outer loop is throttled in the same direction, and there we go. Smooth transition, except I had the outer loop throttle up a little bit too high. Let's transition to the inner loop again. There we go. All right, now we have the 1-2 button here. This means the outer loop controller will now control the entire layout, inner and outer. So let's transfer over to the inner, and sure enough, the outer number 1 controller is controlling the inner loop as well. There we go. So again, I'm using the outer controller on the inner loop with the 1-2 button depressed. So now if I go to throttle 0 and undepress this, then this controller is non-zero, therefore the locomotive runs. I had to slow down there a couple times, but it looks like it was just me changing the throttle position. So I think this looks good. I'm having no problems. All the section-to-section conductivity is successful, and pretty solid control.